easy package.
Oh man.
Ooh, and
Yeah, this is awesomeness. Got a hat too. Man, I haven't been paying attention at all. I haven't seen any of this.
So we can start off with this. So it's a nice hat, very good.
Oh, is that what we're starting off with?
Yeah.
Let me see the hat.
I like all the
Sweet.
lightning bolts.
Yeah, the lightning bolts are cool.
Next, these are water bottles. I like them.
Yeah, these are nice. Good design.
So let's start off with 2 pairs of socks. Let's start off with these crazy ones. It's 1 pair,
Yeah, I like these colors.
but it's a very cool combination. Well, look, they're matching. Very nice and matching. Ooh.
Man, I like those colors. Those things are tall. Coffee. Man, I have no idea who this is for. What the collaboration's for. Man.
Those look really nice. Those
Oh,
look
those are
good.
sick too.
Look, feel
I
feel
like
this
that
one.
color.
Feel. Does it feel
They're
different?
super soft.
Super soft.
This is a cool collection.
Yeah. So cool and nice.
I'll link everything below, and hopefully add some stuff to the movie since I apparently don't know what this collaboration is. I feel terrible. Sorry guys.
But I think it's mostly called like
Awesome socks.
awesome sock.
So yeah, all the stuff's from the Athletic. If you haven't already guessed that, lots of good things. Can't wait to start riding them.
Yay!